And it is a perfect morning for anything physical because next couple of days, big changes on the way. It's a fair sky morning, just a few fair weather clouds out there. There's the moon and you can see Venus also in the night sky. If you're heading out this morning, it is a pleasant start to your Monday. If you're off today and maybe planning a trip, you're picked a good day to head out if you're traveling by car. I'm not sure by plane. More about that coming up, obviously. 58 at Monroe, 61 at Charlotte. It is a very comfortably cool 44 degrees in the Boone area, 57 at Chester, mid-50s at Lancaster, down there in South Carolina. Look at the dew point temperatures, low 40s in the mountains, 45 at Charlotte, 47 at Monroe. That is comfort. The lower the dew point, the more comfortable it is. And in fact, next couple of days, even tomorrow, when temperatures are going to be in the mid-90s and upper 90s on Wednesday, going to keep those dew points down. So we're not going to be talking about some heat advisory. It will be hot, but not oppressively hot, so that's good news. And you can see a little bit of a dew point change, more dew points, higher dew points later in the week. UV index for today, it's a 10 up there, very high, so extra protection. Burn time about 15 to 25 minutes. SPF 30 above every 2 hours, the best thing to do if you're poolside or lakeside. Today, it's look at these high temperatures, 76 at Boone. It was 85 here in the Queen City yesterday, 88 at Columbia, 84 at Myrtle Beach. It was just pleasant weather across the entire region yesterday, and I think more of the same today. Now notice over the next 10 days the temperature changes. Wednesday we're at 99 degrees, and once again it could touch that 100-degree mark, the potential for that later in the week from the low 90s into the weekend. And check this out. Next week, as we get towards the end of the month, a big change, a big drop in those high temperatures. That's good news about the end of the month, and hopefully we kind of stay that way as we get into the month of July. Check it out for today. Hour by hour we go. Temperatures by 10 this morning, right around 72 degrees, near 80 at 1 o'clock. And in the middle of the afternoon, we're going to be in the mid and upper 80s. Once again, it'll be comfortable out there with those lower dew point temperatures. High close to 89 at Sharon there in South Carolina. Our cooler readings will be in the mountains, Jefferson, Boone, both in the mid to upper 70s. 85 at Hickory, and we'll say mid to upper 80s right here in the Charlotte area. Let's check it out. That 7-day forecast take you through the entire week. Tomorrow we're at 95, 99 degrees on Wednesday. It looks like as we get towards late Thursday afternoon, could be a couple of thunderstorms, and we keep that storm chance at about 30% Friday, Saturday, and Sundays we head into the upcoming weekend. That's your forecast. Let's go check now.